So I ordered one of those Lectric XP Lite electric bicycles. My doctor suggested getting some kind of electric bicycle. I researched them for several months. And I was looking for one that was kind of be lighter weight, easier to like carry up steps because I live in the city, so I wanted to be able to carry it up steps into my apartment. 45 pounds with the battery installed, but if you take the battery out, it's about 38 pounds. So that's pretty good. There was another one I was looking at, was called Carbo. It was made out of carbon fiber. That was only 28 pounds. The thing is, the payload weight on that bike was only 240 pounds. It was fully assembled. All you had to do is remove all the stuff and then tighten everything up. Add my like GoPro mount stuff. It's not a GoPro, it's like a different kind of action cam, but that's there. And I adjusted the screen here so I could put this bag on, and I adjusted this so this will be able to be operated a little bit better. And then you can see I put this bag on here. I originally got this for something else, but it had a thing so you could use for a bicycle. It's a cooler. Believe it or not, you can fit water bottles in here and other stuff. So I just put this on here because it fits. Believe it or not, these cords, you can flex them. So this here has a tie down there and here. And yeah, the bag works because the screen is so big. It's kind of almost like a windbreaker. This here currently has the camera in there. I put the weather mount in there, so all I have to do is pop this out. Yeah, this is what the bike looks like, fully put together. It does fold in half, and I do have... But yeah, that's the Lectric XP Lite. It's only got a 300 watt motor, but it's got a 720 peak on it. It's gonna be more than fast enough for me here. The key is in the weirdest location. The key is under here, but basically if you look down here, where that pin is, that pin right now tells me it's locked. Now it tells me it's unlocked. So you can get the battery out. It is very hard to fold this bike, let me tell you. The pedals aren't hard to fold. I folded them out because I'm storing it inside right now. But to fold this mechanism, it is really stuck. This is adjustable, really nice. The seat's adjustable. I don't even have it the highest seat level, and it's perfect for me, and I'm 6'1", so... So yeah, this is what it'll look like. Like I said, I'll have a bell over here too, which I'll be putting on this weekend. Everyone, here's my new bell. It's chrome, and I put it over here on this side here because look at this here. I got the throttle's right here, but they give you this little area where you can rest your thumb so you don't actually hit the throttle. And when you're here, you could hit the bell perfectly fine. You can see it's pretty loud. So yeah, having that thumb thing here, so you don't accidentally touch the throttle, you can come over and you can grab this and still have control of this bar. Hey guys, I'm gonna ride the bike soon. So today it's real hot out though. I don't know how far I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna do a couple blocks. I have my action cam here. I tried to do a chest mount thing so you guys can see the computer, and unfortunately I just can't get it to do that. I'm not sure if I showed you this. This is my 1000 helmet. Yeah, this helmet's worked out pretty good. I like the visor. Cycling, I've been doing the stationary bikes and they've been doing great. And then he suggested getting one of these electric bikes because I can't pedal very fast. But with this, I can go and stay up with traffic and stuff. And so I did some videos so you can see, like I rode on like a bigger main street, not a super main street, but a bigger main street that did have a bike lane. I was able to keep up traffic pretty good. And I usually take the battery out when I'm carrying it up. But let me tell you, this thing is really hard to fold in half. I don't know what's going on with it. I have a feeling it's something to do with the paint. More times I fold it in half, the easier it is. I also can't get this thing back into that little hole. The thing that charges the battery, I can't get that in there at all. Hey guys, so this bike is a lot of fun. I'm very grateful that my doctor suggested getting a bike like this. It's a lot of fun, and I'm getting a good workout when I'm in PSA 1 and 2. I can even ride this in PSA 0, believe it or not. It's not too hard, and it's going really good.